Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build-A-Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Paint by Line pumpkin paint kit. I'm going to go in first with the orange, and I'm going to base coat my pumpkin. Next, I'm going in with this bright pink color, and I'm going to paint my center flower. Then I'm going to use the lavender color to paint my other two flowers. Now I'm going in with a little bit of the green, and I'm going to paint all of my greenery. And then last, I'm going to go in with this blue color, and I'm going to paint the circle. Now I'm going in that everything is dry, and I'm going and outlining everything with my Sharpie brush stroke marker. Now I'm going in with a little bit of white and the number 4 round that's in my brush pack, and I'm highlighting everything, following the natural curves of my painting, just to brighten everything up. And last, I'm going to go back in with a Sharpie brush stroke marker to do some writing on the center of my pumpkin, and you could put whatever you want here. And if you don't feel comfortable with writing, you could go in with some vinyl, and that would work as well. But this marker does make this writing very easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and have a great day.